So guys, this is what I have. I really don't know how to fix it, but I tried. So you can look, take a look. Hello guys, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. My name is Blessing. I'm in Nigeria, based in Germany. So in today's video, I'll be doing the unboxing of this ring light. I actually got this ring light from eBay. Like I used to buy most of my things on eBay and Auto. So those people living in Germany, they know what I mean by Auto. So this ring light is very cheap, not that expensive, but it's affordable. So let's unbox it, guys. So I have this. I don't know what's inside, but I need to check. It's empty. So I have this. I think this is standard. I've never used it before, but I don't know what it's called. So I don't know. I think this is how it's going to look like. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I have this here. Let's check this. Oh, this is the lights. Look, guys. I also have this. I don't know. And this, I think this is a phone holder. Or I don't know. And this too. So, look, guys.